I've laid a stencil on top of my fabric and now I'm spraying bright pink dye through the open holes. I take off the stencil. Oh, what lovely pattern. I now wax the areas I wish to keep pink and white in a pattern that I'm choosing. I haven't pre-planned this, so the marks I'm making are spontaneous. I now paint a bright lemon dye all over my cloth, and you can see the areas I've waxed peek through. Hello, here we are, they say. Now the dye is dry, I wax again, protecting the orange and yellow areas. I haven't planned what I'm going to do, so these marks are growing slowly and freely and sometimes a bit cautiously. But I'm getting there. I'm nearly done. I now put another colour on top of my cloth, and this time it's a light brown. You can see again both waxings peeking through. The dye will not impregnate that wax. The wax protects the colour and pattern underneath. Now this colour is dry, I wax again. This time I'm using a slightly smaller brush, and my inclination is to wax around the shapes, like a little key line. So that's what I'm doing. This is my last leg home, my final waxing. So I'm just enjoying doing it. Again, I haven't planned anything. Nearly done. My final colour, a very strong black, is now applied to the cloth, and you can see the artwork really does peek through. This is my favourite bit. I find it really exciting to see what's being created. Nearly there. I now need to take off excess dye because it's all over the wax, and I use a paper towel for this process. The dye absorbs into the paper, and here it is. Here's my final artwork. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe. Thank you.